Have you struggled with eyebrow mapping when creating symmetrical brows? There are many tools for brow mapping to choose from, but I will show you how to use Phibrow golden ratio divider in this video. Stay till the end to learn how to use other tools for eyebrow mapping. For the best microblading, permanent makeup, training, business branding, sales and marketing advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. If you are new here, hi, I am Taiyaba. Welcome to my channel, a place for permanent makeup artists to learn all about techniques, business branding, sales and marketing to help you learn, grow and scale in your beauty business. I have been working in the beauty industry since 2013. And my biggest struggle was creating symmetrical brows for my clients. To help you avoid going through the same battle, I am sharing my favorite golden ratio Phibrow mapping technique in this video. So let's start. So let me know which tool do you use for eyebrow mapping in the comments. Want to learn more about brow mapping? Check out these videos. I have discussed tips for correct brow shape according to the face. Now you know how to draw symmetrical brows with golden ratio divider. But do you know how to use other brow mapping tools to create natural looking eyebrow shape? To help you, I have created a brow mapping course explaining all about 5 different techniques of brow mapping. So you have other options to create perfectly symmetrical brows. I have also included a bonus video of the complete microblading procedure to show you how I do microblading procedure on my clients. For more information, click the link in the description. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. If you have any questions about golden ratio mapping, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.